In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable WooCommerce on WordPress. Whether you're taking a break from your online store, making some changes, or simply no longer need the extension, disabling WooCommerce on your WordPress site is a straightforward process. So let's dive right in and take it step by step. First, you'll want to go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your WordPress site and is where you'll find all the tools you need. Once you've logged into your WordPress admin area, you'll be greeted by the dashboard interface, where you'll see options in the left-hand menu. Next, navigate to the Plugins section. Hover over Plugins in the sidebar, and a submenu will appear. From there, click on Installed Plugins. Clicking this will lead you to a page that shows all the plugins currently installed on your WordPress site. This page gives you a comprehensive view of what's active, inactive, and available for update. Now, scroll through your list of installed plugins until you find WooCommerce. It should be easy to spot, especially if you have an active online store, as this is a crucial component for many e-commerce functionalities. Once you've located the WooCommerce plugin, you'll notice several options are available under its name. You'll see options like Settings, Edit, and crucially, Deactivate. Click on Deactivate. By simply clicking this button, you effectively disable WooCommerce on your site. What this does is deactivate the plugin's functionalities without actually removing it from your system. Your WooCommerce settings, products, and configurations are preserved. They're just put on hold. This way, if you decide to reactivate the plugin later, your previous setup is saved and ready to go without having to redo any configurations. Just a quick note, if you reflect on whether this is the right step for your website, remember that by deactivating WooCommerce, all the e-commerce activities tied to this plugin will pause. If visitors come to your site expecting to make purchases, they won't see any shop functionalities until you reactivate the plugin. So really think about whether there's any additional communication needed for your site visitors or customers, such as a temporary message indicating maintenance downtime. And that's it. You've successfully disabled WooCommerce from your WordPress site in just a few simple steps. This process is reversible, so when you decide to restart your online store, you'll simply go back to the Installed Plugins section and click Activate under WooCommerce. You can rest easy knowing that WordPress makes it easy to manage your site plugins as your needs change. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to tune in for more WordPress tips and tricks.